the sidewalk in early light, a little child holds the bag so tight. Groceries stacked with weight and care, more than tiny arms should bear. Steps are steady, brave and true, doing what they've learned to do, learning strength before it's time, walking past the childhood line. Small hands holding something tall, learning how to stand through it all, carrying more than the world can see, shaping who they're meant to be, finding balance day by day between their duty and their play. Though the load is heavy now, life will teach them when and how. Moments meant for joy and rest, keep the heart within its best, growing strong through tasks they meet, yet keeping wonder at their feet. Every burden, every stride builds the courage held inside. Small hands holding something tall, learning how to stand through it all, carrying more than the world can see, shaping who they're meant to be, finding balance day by day between their duty and their play. Even small hands can carry big dreams.